The reclaimed asphalt pile has grown so large that storage and site access are difficult. Once full, there's nowhere to store the excess. Government contracts require contractors to handle this material, but without space, I can't even bid.
A black mountain rises, dwarfing nearby people. The open land behind a Holong Township gravel site is now a man-made, pitch-black hill filled with reclaimed asphalt waste from years of construction.
This was once road material, mixed with bitumen and laid. After years, it's milled off and returned. That's reclaimed asphalt, a mix of stone and bitumen.
Asphalt roads crack and wear from daily use and weather. In cities, they last 5 to 10 years. When resurfaced, the removed surface is called reclaimed asphalt pavement, RAP.
The bitumen in RAP is usually too aged. Its aromatics and resins continue to polymerize, forming what's known as oxidized asphaltenes. These make the asphalt brittle and hard, weakening its bonding strength and leading to cracking and potholes.
Taiwan requires about 15 million tons of asphalt concrete annually for road paving. In the process, about 12 million tons of RAP is generated. Current regulations allow up to 40% RAP in new asphalt mixtures, which is then reused for paving. But this doesn't completely solve the problem. First, RAP is produced faster than it can be reused. Second, reusing overly aged material degrades the overall quality.
In fact, using just 20% aged RAP can already lead to poor pavement quality. The asphalt concrete might start peeling off.
According to the Public Construction Commission, the actual reuse rate is only around 15%. Because the chemical composition of aged bitumen has changed, it doesn't blend well with new aggregates and fresh bitumen, leading to poor adhesion.
Overaged asphalt is like an elder from another generation, separated from the younger ones by a wide gap. It struggles to integrate with the new, but we can't abandon it. Instead, we restore its vitality and help it blend with newer materials. The solution to this generational challenge is a golden yellow liquid, the asphalt rejuvenator. The massive mixing equipment before us produces the rejuvenator, made mainly of lignin and plant-based oils. Lignin is extracted from woody waste like rice straw or branches using pyrolysis. When blended with plant oil, the brown lignin turns into a golden yellow liquid. But the key question remains: how does this process bring aged asphalt back to life?
Aged asphalt becomes a powdery, carbon black-like substance. That's what makes it brittle. The plant-based oils can penetrate the asphalt and react with the aged asphaltenes through a process called depolymerization. This breaks down the old bonds and allows the material to rebind with fresh asphalt, effectively restoring its properties.
To put it simply, the asphalt rejuvenator acts like a youth serum or anti-aging treatment for old asphalt. When RAP enters the recycling system at the gravel plant, the rejuvenator is sprayed on the surface before it goes into the drying phase.
In the past, the heating temperature was around 210 degrees Celsius, which easily caused strong odors. Now, with the rejuvenator, it has dropped to about 180 degrees Celsius.
Lower temperatures mean safer operations and about 20% less fuel consumption. It also aligns with global efforts to reduce carbon emissions.
Under the 40% regulatory limit, we mix 70% new aggregate with 30% asphalt-rich RAP, combined with the ITRI rejuvenator to achieve 100% recyclability. This eases the domestic aggregate shortage, replacing over 10% of Taiwan's annual demand, and cuts carbon emissions by over 800,000 tons per year.
However, many roads in Taiwan fall into a constant cycle of repair after repair. So can recycled asphalt really offer the strength we need? Let's look at the test data.
The Hamburg wheel tracking test simulates accelerated pavement aging by applying repeated rolling loads to asphalt concrete specimens submerged in hot water at 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. Each sample must endure 12,000 load cycles. With the help of the rejuvenator developed by the Industrial Technology Research Institute, ITRI, our asphalt concrete meets the demanding standards of this internationally recognized test.
Over 3,000 kilometers of road have been paved with recycled asphalt, extending RAP's life cycle, reducing waste and storage issues, and moving toward true zero waste in a circular economy.